Hi everyone, I'm Nitin and today I'm going to teach you how to make a line following robo by yourself. So before we proceed, let's see the components required to build this robo. So we have two DO motors with 150 RPM and we have two infrared sensors, one in the left and one in the right, and we have jump wires which are connected to the motor drive board. And we have our 9 volts battery, and with the 9 volts battery connector we have the power switch and the two wheels with the basic board for chassis. So let's see a demonstration how it follows the line. So we're having a black strip line on a white background. So we opted black because black absorbs light but does not reflect. So it will be easy for the sensors to sense it easily. I'm placing the robo on the black strip line. Now the power switch is on.